Hey guys, Tiffany the trainer coming to you from Fit Bodies Unlimited. I am currently at the Newport News location. Going to show you how the prone leg curl works. All right. So your first thing, you're going to want to adjust the back here, but really you want to lay down first on the machine where your knees are at the back of the pad to see where this back pad is going to hit right above, well, technically on your Achilles heel, because that's where you're going to be pulling it from. My setting is a 2, so I am going to crank it up here to a 2 for myself. Again, when you lay down on here, you want to make sure your knees are below this pad, directly below the pad. You do not want your knees to be on the pad or way away from the pad. Next thing, you have your weight stack. I'll put it on 50 just for you guys. We're going to put our arms down here on the pads, hold on to this. Make sure, me personally, I like to squeeze my glute muscles to push myself into the pad when I do this, so I am not overextending my back muscles, my lower back. So what we'll do, squeeze up, hold for a 1 to 2 count, and come back down. Always control the weight, never slam the weight.